So for my e-commerce website, I decided to choose Etsy. As you can see, right now I'm just on the Google homepage, and you can click straight into Etsy. Um, it does have a URL. It's www.etsy.com, and this website, as you can see, has a title right here up top left. Over to the right here, you can see the different tabs. This is an e-commerce website. It was created by 4 different people for the purpose of being a global marketplace. This is both buyer to consumer as well as consumer to consumer. There's all sorts of different items, as you can see here. You can click on the different tabs here at the top and scroll down, and all different types of things from jewelry to accessories. And if you just toggle over, you can see the different categories that it provides, and then even more once you go into the tabs. Yes, it is visually appealing. If you scroll down, you can see it actually has items that you recently viewed. Here is mine, as I'm getting married this November. I have things in my in my website that, or my thing that it recommends for me, things that I've recently viewed, as well as recently favored items. If you continue to go down, it tells you all about Etsy. You can click in and learn more about what Etsy is, who the creators are, what type of community they are. Continue to go down. Here you can see that they have different shops here. You can sell on Etsy and create your own shop within this global marketplace. More about their policies, their careers, their investors. Yes, they do use social media. Here, if you click over here, you can see they use Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. And then they also have their own personal help center. If you have any questions about Etsy, you can just click into here like you have. They have their general topics for consumers, and then also for their shop owners, on every single thing. And then if you don't have a specific thing and you're not trying, or you're not seeing what you're looking for, you can ask them specifically. You can email Etsy and somebody will get back to you. So this can go straight back to Etsy. This takes you right back to the home page. And you can also always click on Etsy, the word Etsy, and it'll take you right back to this home page. Or over here to the right on this little home. So I'm going to conduct a little search here. So I'm going to look up 50s dress. And as you can see, as I'm typing, it guesses what I am looking for. And you can click on any of these. They have more specific items for women. Pink. We're just going to click on the basic 1950s dress and see what it comes up with. So here, as you can see, these are all different dresses from the 1950s, exactly what I searched for. Over here on the left, you can see the different categories. You can narrow down your search. If you want items only with free shipping, or only items on sale, you can click those and it will tell you that. Or if you only want in the United States because you don't want to pay for customs, you can do that. It only took me a few minutes to find out all the information that I needed for and about Etsy, to learn about their company and what they're all about. the advertisements, I did not see any outside advertisements. There is advertisements for other shops and for the websites and the shops that are included in Etsy. However, I did not see any outside paid advertisements. And that is all I have for my review of an e-commerce website.